Hello everyone, welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to style a jean jacket. I collect blazers, jean jackets, car coats, which are the thin coats that you can wear like over a dress, or pants that can be part of an outfit, or things like this too. Kimonos, anything that makes an outfit more interesting. You know, I love to take a bottom layer piece and then keep adding. So today's discussion is going to be around jean jacket, and thanks to the person who requested this one. We're happy to do it. The other thing I wanted to tell you before we really get into the meat of the subject is that you will notice a lot of the clothes that I wear in these videos, I wear over again. I don't buy a ton of stuff. I buy the pieces that I think work well for me in the right colors, and that I know when I buy the piece, oh, I can wear it like this, like this, like this. At least 3 different ways before I'll actually purchase something, unless it's something super special. So this top, this blouse is a blouse, and it's by the designer Rosie Azulin. So it is not an inexpensive piece. It has paid for itself now because I have worn it and can continue wearing it so many different ways. And today what I've decided to do is stick a blue jean jacket over it. So this goes along with the idea of things look better in threes, and interior designers can understand this as well. When you divide something into 1, 2, 3, it's more interesting than when something cuts you right in half, especially if it's going to cut you right in half at your widest point. So this is my widest point, but what happens is, because the blazer hits here, you don't notice so much that that's my widest point, all right? So this is one way that I wear a blue jean jacket, to divide an outfit or a look into 3 different pieces. All right, so that's look number 1. And now we'll go on to look number 2. Look number 2, I've still got the same old jeans on and the same white jean jacket, but I have now just a super comfortable t-shirt. And I'm going to take white jean jacket and just throw it over my shoulders. This way you can kind of see the outline of your figure, and also if it's a warm day, you know, you're not wearing the jacket completely over you where it adds warmth. So this is a good thing to have on. Let's say I'm going to be gone for a whole day, and during the morning it's chilly, so I'd have the jean jacket on, and then midday I either take it off or I just have it around my shoulders. And talked y'all before, this is called the Vogue editor's look. And then if I go somewhere that night, I can put the jacket back on if I'm chilly. A lot of people think they don't need jackets in the summertime. That is just not correct. We live in a world of central air conditioning, and also even when you're outside at night, if it's breezy, sometimes there's a chill in the air. So I really recommend everybody having a little jacket or a wrap with them pretty much all the time, year round. All right, now we're going to switch from the white jacket and we're going to go to your traditional blue jean jacket. Another way that I like to wear my jean jacket is incorporating a couple of trends at once. One is the monochromatic look, which you can do with, obviously, you know, your lighter colored separates, white head to toe. That's a creamy linen outfit. That is head to toe. And then dark monochromatic, very slimming. And I just think it looks very chic. But then, when you add the jean jacket to it, this is actually called the Canadian tuxedo. So I don't know if you've ever heard that term before, but that just means jeans on the top and jeans on the bottom. And some people said, some people don't, you know, that's up to you, totally your preference. Would you do head to toe denim, or is that something that you would probably steer away from? Either way, if you do it, now you know it's called the Canadian tuxedo, and it's also a way to create a column, top to bottom. All right, So that's another way to wear the blue jean jacket. All right, here's another interesting idea when we're talking about jean jackets. This is actually not even made of denim. It is in the style of a jean jacket, but it is leather. And more interesting even than that, it can be reversible. On this side, it's sort of a metallic-y look. So it can be, in my opinion, super dressy. All right, so I'm taking a silk dress. It's a fun summer. It can go into the fall because the color is sort of an earth tone. And then I have this very interesting metallic leather / jean jacket third piece, or second piece in this case, to put over my look. You can even wear it on one shoulder if you want to. And obviously, if it's really chilly, I can put it all the way on. So that's another point that I wanted to make to you, is get creative, even with these jean jackets. Sure, everybody, or most everybody, needs a blue jean jacket. If it's a look that you feel like is good for your silhouette, you don't have to worry about if you're too old for a jean jacket. It totally depends on the way you want to wear it. If you're not a super casual person, then you can wear it with more interesting looks like this. Dresses, nicer pants, things like that. Obviously, it's great for just shorts and a t-shirt in the summer if you still wear shorts. But be on the lookout for expanding that. Like I said, this one is leather. If you know the style looks good on you, be on the lookout for it. When you go shopping, look for interesting materials and different colors that would go well with what you've already got. Do not just go grab some jean style jacket because, well, I just love the colors in it. If that's not a color palette that you have things to go with at home. Always be thoughtful in your purchases. So, thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you to the person who requested this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, direct message us, anything. We are here to engage with you. That's the whole purpose for what we do, and we want to be of service. If you are interested in any kind of a virtual style session to play with your clothes with me, I'm always available to do that too. You can direct message me on Instagram. You can reach out to us through the website, www.thestylethatbindsus.com, or you can send us a message in the comment section below. Thanks again for joining us. Bye-bye.